Alright guys, so if you take a look at this particular place, as you can see, if you have 97,000 coins on this particular platform, you can redeem it to $10. That's equivalent to $10. And let's say you have about 48,500 coins on this particular platform, you can redeem that to $5. And as you can see, we have it up just like that for $1. If you want to redeem your money, if you have about 9,700 naira, 700 coins, you can withdraw it straight into your USDT account and you get $1. And for this, if you have 2,900 tokens, you can withdraw it, so you can redeem it at $0.3. So right here in this particular video, I want to show you step by step how you can make at least $1 every single day just by playing games on your phone. Yeah, these are even interesting game, and it doesn't even end there. There are other exciting tasks you could perform. Let's say you are not a fan of gaming, then there are other options for you. So right here in this particular video, I'll show you how you could get paid up to between $1 to $5 every single day from this particular platform. Welcome to my channel. My name is Sadiq Ibrahim. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are welcome. It's good to have you here. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for staying with me so far. So right here, all I do on this channel is I spend a lot of time researching on opportunities that could make us money actually. And when I find the ones that work, I come right here on my channel to share it with you guys. So ensure you subscribe to this channel, and then don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another exciting make money online opportunity like this. With that said, without any further ado, let's just get straight into the main part of today's video. So actually, this particular platform is an application, and the link to get access to this will be in the description of this video. It will be the first link in the description of this video. If you don't know how to access the description of the video, all you need to do is just click on the title of this video and you'll see the description. The first link there is a link to this to get this particular app. Alternatively, I'll also pin this link in the comment section, so it will be the first comment in the comment section. So once you click on that link, it will direct you to the store where you could download the app. So guys, this is actually the platform. This is this app. It is called M Crypto, Play to Earn Crypto. So one thing is that if you just go ahead on Play Store to download it, you will not get the welcome bonus. So that's why you need to use the link in the description, and it will direct you to Play Store. Then download it from there, so that you can get the welcome bonus, which you can withdraw as well. So as you can see right here, this particular app has a review of 4.3 star, which is really awesome, out of 40k reviews. That's really interesting. So don't let me bore you with all those unnecessary details. Let me just go ahead and show you how to make money on this particular platform. So as you can see right here, there are several ways to make money on this particular platform, and ensure you watch this particular video to the very end so that you don't miss any step, because missing one single step could mean that you ruin everything and you won't be able to withdraw your money. So let's get into it. The first method I'll be sharing with you is the gaming session. That is how you could earn money for just by playing games or doing other interaction with other apps. So all you need to do is click on this app task right here. Okay, so once you click on app task, can you see these are available games right here for you. Can you see this particular one? If you play this game, you'll be getting a total of 1,700 coins, and if you play this game, you'll be getting 24 coins per minute and a total of 1,509. So if you play this particular game here, Giant Rush, you'll be getting 22 coins per minute and a total of 1,366 coins. So all you need to do is go ahead and download. Like you can see, they are constantly refreshing what we have here. They are constantly refreshing the games you have here. So if at the moment the one you are seeing it doesn't interest you, of course you can just come back or just play one of them, and then once it will move to your game catalog, and then they will help you refresh it with other new games. So let's say I want to play this particular word sort puzzle. All you need to do is click on play now, and once you click on play now, it will direct you to Google Play. Then download the app, and once you download the app, it will allow you, it will tell you to enable it to access your phone, so that this particular application M Crypto, we know that you are playing it. So for every minute you spend on the app, you'll be getting these 24 coins. For every minute you spend on that app playing any of this game, you'll be getting the corresponding coin. It's that easy and straightforward, guys. So that's just one of it, of making money. So, and once you are able to play, start with any of the game, you get more games here. Once you come to this place, you'll be able to see more games to play and you earn more money. So another way I want to show you that you could make money on this particular platform, guys, remember this platform is completely free. Yeah, you're not starting with any amount, like it requires no investment. So all you need to do is refer your friends, invite your friends, and you will win more money. So come to this session where we have invite, this session right here down here where we have invite, and once you click on that, you'll be able to see your referral link. This is your referral link. Copy it or share it with your friends on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on Facebook, on Messenger. Just share it with them. You will get 1,000 tokens, which is 1,000 coins on this particular platform, and your friend also gets coins, and you also get to earn 10% commission on every of your friends earning. Isn't that interesting? Yeah, so this is another way to leverage this app and make more money, because it's literally free to sign up. So you won't have much, people won't have much objection when you introduce this particular platform to them. They won't have much objection. So guys, all you need to do is just go ahead, do as many tasks as you can, spend as many time on the app as you could, and then you get to earn more money. You can download everything, you can play everything, you can do more, and once it's refreshed, they'll keep refreshing this tab. Once it brings another set of game, download them as well, play many games, invite your friends. That's how to make good money for yourself. So that will be all for this particular video tutorial. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another opportunity like this. So you just have to spend more time, play more game, or refer more people to increase your earning. Now to the final part, let me show you, sorry I almost skipped that, let me show you how to redeem your reward. So all you need to do is come right here to this redeem at the bottom right corner, and then click on redeem. Can you see there are several ways you could redeem your reward? You can redeem via USDT, via Bitcoin, via Ethereum, via Ripple. And let's say you want to go with USDT, all you need to do is just click on it, and as you can see, let's say I already accumulated about 97,000 of these coins. All I need, and I want to change it to $10 voucher. All you need to do is just click on it, and you'll be able to enter your USDT address, and they process payment on this particular platform within 24 to 48 hours. So you are rest assured you are going to get your money. So I hope you find this particular video helpful. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you are going to try out this particular opportunity. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.